Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Best Reviews channel. Today, we're taking a close look at the Gabb Phone 3 Pro, smartphone designed for kids and teens. Do you give your child a phone and expose them to online dangers, or hold off, leaving them unarmed in a world that relies on digital communication? The sleek Samsung phone by Gabb contains all essential functions like calling and messaging, plus a smart filter, GPS, safe music streaming, and parental controls to ensure your child's safety. Stay with us as we dissect this phone's features, subscriptions, and promotions. To better understand where the Gabb phone is the right device for your child, visit our website at bestreviews.net and check out our full written review. Now, over to you, Raisa.
The Gabb Phone 3 Pro is a simplified version of the Samsung Galaxy A13. It features excellent hardware specifications, including a powerful processor that ensures reliable performance regardless of the task. Additionally, its 6.6-inch screen size, long battery life, and high-quality cameras provide kids with a fantastic entertainment and communication experience. The Gabb phone setup process is easy and only takes a few minutes. Parents should start by setting up a password, PIN, unlock pattern, or fingerprint lock to protect the device, and then create a Gabb profile for the child using the phone's Gabb ID app. This secure phone for kids and teens focuses mainly on communication, with unlimited calls and messages via Gabb's network provided by Verizon. Additionally, it features a memory slot to expand storage capacity. It should be mentioned that Gabb doesn't support any other SIM card than its own, which might limit connectivity for parents looking to choose their own network. Arguably, the best part about this smartphone is Gabb Messenger. The app provides kids with a secure communication platform with text and video capabilities, similar to WhatsApp, which Gabb Guard monitors thoroughly. The smart filter continuously scans calls and messages, automatically blocking any suspicious content. This means that parents don't need to constantly worry about who their children are communicating with or what content they are being exposed to. Gabb Phone 3 Pro also includes Gabb Cloud, which offers up to 50 GB of secure cloud storage with daily automatic backups for photos, videos, contacts, and phone settings. One of the main reasons kids and teens may want a phone is to listen to music. While it's great to encourage such a hobby, many songs have explicit content, be it lyrics or artwork. Fortunately, parents don't need to worry about this, as the company's exclusive streaming service, Gabb Music Plus, is carefully curated to include only clean versions of popular songs. Although the phone doesn't provide access to any social media or internet browsers, it still connects to Wi-Fi and has mobile data options, with up to 10 GB per month. Kids can also download and install any pre-approved apps from Gabb's App Store. This App Store only includes thoroughly reviewed and analyzed apps, so no harmful content slips through the net. Last but not least, Gabb provides two ways to access parental controls. One is via its website, and two is via third-party apps available for Android and iOS. We found this a bit of a hassle, as having just one central parental control management app would make life easier for parents and legal guardians. When it comes to communication, parents are notified anytime dangerous content is found, and depending on its severity, it's either blocked or flagged. Legal guardians also have the power to manage the phone's contact list and approve or block contacts. With its GPS, parents can feel constantly reassured by being able to track their child's location. While they can't access a history of recent locations, the MyGabb app includes geofencing, which lets legal guardians set up virtual safe zones for their kids. For the Gabb phone, parents can opt for a starter, standard, or advanced plan. All plans are available on a 1- and 2-year contract or at a pay-as-you-go rate. The cheapest plan is starter and includes unlimited calls and texts, a messaging app, a smart filter, and 10 GB of cloud storage. It's also possible to get up to $25 off Gabb Phone 3 Pro by visiting the company's website and using its promotional code. For an additional $5 per month, kids get Gabb Music and group texting. For another $10, you unlock access to more apps and 3 GB of mobile data. If you're not sure whether it's the right fit for your child, making use of Gabb's 15-day refund policy is a good idea. For payments, the company accepts all major credit cards. Gabb support resources include tutorials, FAQs, account management tips, and guides for the device. Additionally, email and chat support are available for direct contact with the company, with live chat being the quickest option for getting help. It's available from Monday to Friday between 7 a.m. and 6:30 p.m. MT and from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. MT on Saturdays. In addition, Gabb may provide answers to questions posted in comments on its social media channels like Facebook. However, parents in need of a quick reply should favor its official support channels, as they are typically more responsive and offer more direct assistance for any inquiries or issues you might have.
Thank you, Raissa. Parents who worry about their kids' phone usage and overall security might find the Gabb Phone 3 Pro to be exactly what they need. The phone doesn't include social media channels or any way to browse the internet, and legal guardians can have peace of mind knowing that all communication is thoroughly monitored with a smart filter. Additionally, the company offers safe music streaming, backups, and an app store containing pre-approved apps. Despite all this, some parents may be put off by the absence of a unified parental control management app or the lack of a child's location history alone. Taking everything into consideration, we believe that Gabb is most suited to parents who are introducing a smartphone to their child for the first time. Find out more about the Gabb phone and its promotions by checking out our review linked in the description below. Thanks so much for joining us, and see you next time.
Thanks for watching our video review. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and leave us a comment down below if you have any questions. For more reviews and other videos, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll be notified of future videos. See you next time!